So we actually about to get a little exercise and a little jogging. You know, this body here kind of natural. Small guy, but not a small fry. You dig? The big one though. So yeah, we finna try out these hangs, and I'm gonna let you know how great they are because they feel great right now. I'm gonna show you that my hair actually stayed in place with this do strap, taking it to a whole nother level because I want you to be out here in nature with me as well. The successful dad way. If you can't stay fit, you can't look good. The body is the temple. You don't want to be a wimp, bo, temple wimple. As you can see, I was finna actually go out there and do a little jogging in my hands, but it started raining, so I can't show you. But you know, we still got on the do strap. If you would like to purchase, I'm still out here in it. 100% chance of rain. I'm so upset I can't jog for y'all right now. But you can't always get, the good content out that you want to get out. But do you keep going? Yes, you keep going. This is an example of keep going. Am I gonna run in the rain? Let's see. Oh, and I'm shooting this. I got a GoPro in my hand right now. So I actually was gonna test out my GoPro today and see if the GoPro was suitable enough for you all. I never really used it, but I'm gonna try to put it to work today. So this is the GoPro. If you would like to purchase the GoPro, it is in the link below, the Amazon description in the link below. That was how I want me to do. Y'all want me to go out there and run in that rain, get wet? Do y'all want me to run out there in that rain and get wet? What y'all want me to do? I might get too wet. I just laid in some wet. I don't know if I want to get this wet. Let's see what the sun look like. We just testing out a GoPro, Thank God. We always gotta shout out to God. Without him, we wouldn't even make it this far, I'm trying to sit and wait to see if it's gonna slow up, because I still want to get out there and show y'all what these hands do. You know what I'm saying? But they feel good right now sitting in this seat. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you need to see one out. Rain, rain, go away, come back another day. This is the camera, that we use. You want to get your camera game up, it's in the link below as well. You go ahead and get the kit that comes. You go ahead and get the kit that comes with the lens on it. Get you a mic, we all good. I guess it's just stuck in the rain video vlog with the hangs on and the do strap. Welcome to Successful Dads. Just a minor setback. Is it a setback? Well, we're still gonna get out there. Gonna wait and see. You got you one of these on shirt? I'm gonna tell you, you supposed to be like, you got you one of these yet? Y'all supposed to be like, successful dad, me man. Successful dad, me man. Yeah, man. Successful dad, me man. Successful dad, me. No, we got them hangs on now. We hanging. We got them hangs on now. Sure. We got them hangs on now. We're just trying to wait to see what we can do. Just a little rain, a little water. No, them hangs get wet too. You know what I mean? And the rain slowing up. Cut the car in case we get lucky. Show you something cool. You did. See, that joint still tight. You see, the hands, do strap is still tight. Even if I let it go, you feel like it's too tight over here. You want to let it down some. You know, just pull it off. Just that easy. Slowing up. That must want me, it's slowing up. That must want me to go ahead and, that want me to go ahead and get out there. I thought we was gonna get out there. A little water ain't gonna hurt nothing. I just blame it, you know, I call it sweat. It make it like a little easy little sweat. I don't like to sweat too much. I'm talking about stay fresh. Stay in the shower, you know. Keep them chicks around here every day all day. You know what I'm saying? Saw how I took the strap off. I still got the GoPro right here. It's still running. GoPro, it's still running. Yeah, but you see how I took the strap off. It's gonna be that easy to put it back on. That's that easy. And one thing I like about it is you don't have that line. It don't have the long strings. It don't, you know, feel like it's cutting your blood circulation off. It just feel comfortable, almost like a baseball cap on your head. So, you know, I would recommend it for anybody that wanna make sure that they hair tied up. Get you a do strap. Not a strap. Do strap. Get you one. Here is my do strap. For you all who don't know how to put on a do strap, you see it got the two in. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna take, you know, your boy got a little hang time now. You know what I'm saying? Like the hangs. Yep. So I throw it on the back like that. Y'all following me? Y'all on the same page with me? If not, let me know. Slow down. I mean, tell me to slow down. We there. We in the same spot, right? Alright. So what I do first is I take the two in the front. Right? You follow me? Take the two. And then lock it in. Do strap. Do strap. So we still hanging. Just like the new rag. We still hanging. like the hanging tag. You know what I'm saying? We're still hanging. Like I'm hanging in my hangs briefs. In the description below. The Amazon link. Make sure you got it as tight as you want to, your preference. However you would like for your do strap to be fitted. We're gonna go with the right side first. You can go with the left side first. Whatever you feel. But let me know at the bottom. How did you feel? Did you do the left or the right first? Me, I'm going to the right first. You saw how I pop this shit. Right first. Can't cover the ears. I gotta hear in case you know you chick call. I gotta be able to hear. Here. So come back with the left. See how I think I did it all wrong playing with y'all, man. Hold on. Let me do it right. Good play. I can multitask. But evidently that wasn't the task. This is the task. Alright, we're going right. Players mess up, then we're going left. Then you know. Everything is fitting. Nice, 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 and nice. Keep using spandex, do cap, do rag, or do strap, or the dome cap. We receive small percentage from the Amazon link below if you decide to purchase anything from one of the links below, like a dome cap or some hangs, man. You think they listening to you? They should have been listening to Successful Dads. You're actually teaching them how to put on a do strap, but it's on my head. Give me